Alright guys, so today I'm gonna be telling y'all about this problem that I be getting when I'm getting my waves. So check this out. I got a couple things right here, right? Hold up. So you'll use things like a product, right? Might not necessarily be this. It might not even be something like this. But you'll have natural oils in your head as well as, like I said, products. You brush your hair, and what happens, you get oil up around on your forehead and stuff, and it leads to things like this, these bumps. Can't tell if you guys can see it or not, but you get these bumps on your head, and it's a problem. Even when you're outside and it gets warm outside, your face sweats, dirt will build up. So of course you can wash your face and everything, yeah, but so I let you guys know what I like to do. It's so this is pretty much how to clean oils and just clean your face. So I like to use this right here. It's deep cleaner, deep pore cleaner, or whatever. So basically how to use the product, I get my face cloth or whatever, and you gotta get it wet or whatever, get your face wet, some warm water, put a little bit in your hands, rub it in, brush it on. I usually like to use a scrub brush. Pretty soft. I scrub my face, whatever, because I feel like that helps get all the dirt and oils off my skin to help get rid of these bumps. So if a lot of you guys get bumps like this, that's chances are what it's from when you guys are either brushing your hair or being outside, and your face, it's gonna get dirty, and when your skin gets dirty, it collects in your pores or whatever, and then you get pimples and bumps and stuff like that. So that's all you gotta do pretty much to get rid of that. How to prevent it after you say if you're outside and you get all sweaty and stuff, just wash your face whatever when you get in, wash your face in the shower, get some kind of face cleaner. It's more than just this. You can get all types of facial scrubs. It's just the one that I use. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just keep your face clean, alright? Nobody wants somebody with a dirty face, alright? So hope y'all like this video. Subscribe.